you ever told yourself, I'm just not a creative person? Maybe you can't paint. Maybe you don't write books. Maybe you don't sing or draw or play an instrument. And because of that, you've convinced yourself that creativity belongs to someone else. But what if creativity isn't about being artistic? What if creativity is simply about being yourself? Hi, I'm Lisa Tarves, and today's affirmation is, I express my creativity openly and freely. Let's say that together, and let's say it right this time for me. I express my creativity openly and freely. Take a moment and feel those words. For many people, creativity becomes something they judge. They compare themselves to other people. They worry about whether what they create is ever going to be good enough. They become afraid of making mistakes or looking foolish. And little by little, they stop expressing themselves. But creativity was never meant to be perfect. It was meant to be expressed. As children, we don't worry about whether our drawing, I think something we draw for our parents, belong in a museum. We don't question whether our ideas are good enough. We simply create, we explore, we imagine. Somewhere along the way, many of us learned to become self-conscious. We started worrying about what other people might think. And when that happens, creativity often gets buried beneath fear and self-doubt. Here's something I've noticed. The people who seem the most creative aren't necessarily the most talented. They're the ones who give themselves permission to try. They're willing to experiment. They're willing to make mistakes. They're willing to express themselves without needing everything to be absolutely perfect. That's what today's affirmation is really about. It's giving yourself permission to stop holding back. It allows you and your ideas, your gifts, your talents, and your unique perspective to come forward, because no one else sees the world exactly the way you do. No one else has your experiences. No one else has your voice. And that's just what makes your creativity so valuable. Whether you're creating art, solving a problem, building a business, caring for your family, or simply finding a new way to approach life, your creativity matters. The world doesn't need another copy of someone else. It needs the unique expression that only you can bring. So today, where you might be holding back, you feel that way, where you might be waiting for someone's permission, what would happen if you gave yourself permission to express your creativity openly and freely? Let's repeat today's affirmation one more time. I express I express my creativity openly and freely. I'm just messing this up today. Today, trust your ideas, trust your voice, trust your unique way of seeing the world, because creativity isn't something you have to earn. It's already within you. Until next time, stay open, stay inspired, and don't forget, you're doing so much better than you think you are. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe and like. Thank you. Talk to you tomorrow.